Correct.
Okay,
So you have, how many
it is
choices do you have?
between 100 to 1000.
So how many n's you
So
have?
so
900.
नहीं, एक्चुअली हम
नहीं.
इसको 5 into 4 into 3 से निकाल सकते हैं ना. Oh, there are 6. Okay.
Okay,
5,
wait.
6 into 4.
Got it. So we have to keep it 3-digit numbers, right? So we have to
Yeah.
create 3-digit numbers. Okay. Fair
6
enough.
into 5 into 4.
And so 3-digit numbers. So can't be a 0 to start with. So first has to be
0 सर
5.
हो सकता है.
How? How will you make a 3-digit number with 0 as a starting?
Not starting but end.
End is fine. But you said 6 into 5. I'm saying 5 into 5.
5
Because the
into
first
5.
digit cannot be
ठीक है. 5 into 5 into 4.
4.
ठीक है.
This is better.
Yeah. ठीक है.
This is better.
100.
Yo.
ठीक. 100 arrangements.
Yes.
ठीक है. ठीक.
Okay. 2 more practice questions. Let me go to the next page. I think this page is not troubling.
सर मैं उसको मिटा दूं पूरे पेज को.
I don't waste time because
नहीं, 1
we
सेकंड
have to be
लगेगा.
productive.
1 सेकंड लगेगा बस. ये देखना बस.
Why they have given more pages?
सर हो गया.
ठीक है. Find the value of n.
फॉर्मूला क्या था एक बार देख लो. n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial.
Find n. Okay, is equal to 42 times
n is it 42. तो अरे सर एक बार क्वेश्चन, एक बार में पेज.
Okay. ठीक है.
रुक जाओ भी, रुक जाओ.
Okay, waiting.
n फैक्टोरियल को भी हम ब्रेक कर सकते हैं ना.
Can. I think NP4
बट अरे
right side is NP5 है, right? I think right side is okay. Right side is NP3. Okay. So you can expand in
अच्छा,
NP3
np3.
42 times NP3.
It's a ratio. It's okay. That is 42. उनका रेशियो मतलब np5 और np3 का. ये तो कट जाएंगे।
ठीक है।
इसको कुछ ब्रेक कर सकते हैं n-3 के होल फैक्टोरियल को?
हाँ, you expanded ना, you know what is factorial. n-3 into n-4 into n-5 factorial.
और इसको सोन किस कहाँ तक लिख दो? n फैक्टोरियल तक
किसको?
इसको।
हाँ, that's all. Stop here. n-3 को just stop here. कट जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर से. In the denominator you have n-5 factorial. So वो कट जाएगा ऊपर से. Get cancelled. Why are you opening this? Don't
नहीं,
open
वो
this.
फैक्टोरियल है ना पूरा। अच्छा। ओ,
No need of opening. Because keep it n-5. ये तो ठीक लिखा था. This was fine.
कट
The
गया ना
first.
फिर?
अच्छा अच्छा, okay. You've already cancelled. Okay, ठीक है. Okay. Is equal to
इक्वल्स टू।
42 and n is greater than 4. So
हाँ जी।
quadratic 7 6 are no 10. 10 minus 3 into 10 minus 4. 10. N is equal to 10. 6 sevens are.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं इसको इसको n स्क्वायर माइनस 4n माइनस 3n। गड़बड़ सी हो रही।
No, just solve a quadratic. Split it 10 minus 10n plus 3n. Minus 10n plus 3n. Middle term splitting. Otherwise, you can make out if n is equal to 10, this equation is satisfied.
हाँ ठीक है।
ठीक है, n is equal to 10 answer.
ऐसे अब अगेन इक्वल टू 10 आया ना?
Because
एक
n
और
cannot be
वेरिएबल।
less than. Second root is ignored because n is greater than 4.
ठीक है। वैसे एक्चुअली इसके ना दो एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को अगर इस टाइप का मैंने एक वैल्यू दे रखी हो
Hmm.
तो हम इसको ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं।
Hmm.
n minus 3 is equals to 6,
Hmm.
n minus 4 is equals to
Hmm.
7.
Hmm.
No, sorry, 7 and 6. So n equals to 10 in both the cases.
Yeah. The only
Hit
thing
and
is,
try.
doesn't give you a quadratic answer. It
हाँ
doesn't give you two answers. It only gives you one.
जी, ये हिट एंड ट्रायल है।
ठीक है, चलेगा. Works with me. Okay, try example 15th. ये रहा.
अच्छा,
Hmm.
6 माइनस आर फैक्टोरियल को ओपन करके कैसे लिखेंगे?
5 minus r, 4 minus r, -1 होता जाता है ना, subtract.
6 माइनस आर
Into
इंटू
5 minus r into 4
8
minus r.
फैक्टोरियल।
Yes. Getting reduced by 1. Correct.
4 और 5 को अगर हम काट दे तो नीचे बचेगा 5। 4 फैक्टोरियल और 5 फैक्टोरियल।
Yes.
6 is equals to 6।
ठीक है, -11r plus 24. 8 threes are. Okay. सही है।
3 और 8। ठीक है।
All right. All vowels have to occur together. Okay.
Vowels के
A E A E U. Okay. They should occur together in a bundle. A E U. Okay. So
डॉटर।
you have to create 8-letter words. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
नहीं
7,
एच
8.
थोड़ी ना वोवल।
Huh?
अच्छा।
Total 8 are there. I mean, the
वॉल्स वाउल्स।
vowels.
All vowels are occur together.
Yes. Okay, so 8, and these have to be different, so repetition is not allowed, right? So
So A
8,
U सिर्फ तो like 3 vowels है A U E।
yes.
तो 3 factorial।
This is the way you can arrange the vowels together.
All vowels together occur together।
Hmm.
अच्छा 8 letter words निकालना है।
I think the only thing is this triplet of A, E, U has to be clubbed, has to move around in a same as a box. So if this is your first box, this is your second box, then this is your third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this box has to move together.
तो 1 minute।
Okay, so this is, and it can be in the beginning also. Okay, so they have to be together. So among themselves, they can definitely have three. AEU can be arranged in 3, 2, 1. So 6 बनाए, you made 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8 together. So what does it mean? They have to occur together as a triplet.
3 factorial into 5 factorial.
So you're saying that 5 factorial are the others,
हाँ जी.
and the other 3 places, which is the 6th place, is actually made up of 3 letters. 3, right? Because they have to be together.
Mm. But they can't repeat na 3.
So 5, you
So 3
filled up 5
factorial.
places.
So 3 factorial into 5 factorial. Like this is for AEU 3 factorial and DHTR is 5 factorial.
So 3 places can be filled with only 3. They have to be consecutive. Where is the together part here? The 5 factorial into
5
3
factorial
factorial.
is for this. And 3 factorial is for this. And we need to form a 8-letter word.
Okay. So these 3 can be in the middle also. They can be in the middle also. And the remaining 5 are on the left and right.
But they have to occur together.
That's my question. What so, what, so if you solve this, what will you get? 3 factorial into 5 factorial occur together.
120 into 6, 720.
3 factorial is 6 into
No, 3 factorial is 6 na. 6 into 120.
120 is equal to 720. Okay. Okay.
Check कर लो आंसर ये एग्जांपल.
No, I'm saying there is no togetherness in this. This is just you filled up these 3. These are the permutations of filling these 3. But you're not treating it as an 8-letter. If you were to say that the total ways you can fill would have been 8 factorial, right? 8 factorial places without repetition, which is right. But out of these, how many are not allowed? 8 factorial was the normal answer. If there was no condition, 8 letters, 8 vacancies. But now out of 8 vacancies, 3 vacancies are the 6th. So 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6th has to be this, the vowels. Vowels, vowels, vowels. So this is your 6th filling up. So these can be filled up in how many ways? 6 factorial.
So they are 8-letter words. Okay.
And 3. This is the total ways you could have filled if there was no together of vowels. If there is a togetherness of vowels, this is how you
तो
write
5
it.
into 3 factorial वैसे सही है.
Okay, let's see. I think the togetherness part is missing. Rest is
Togetherness तो आ ही रही है ना कि 3 factorial is the like AEU मतलब.
not very convincing, but let's discuss. I think you are not treating the three vowels together as one. which is the sixth one which gets filled up. So your option to fill it up goes down. Okay, let's say. So there are 8 different letters, there are 3 vowels, okay, namely A. Since the vowels have to occur together, we can, for the time being, assume them to be a single object. The single object together with 5 remaining will be counted as 6 objects. Then we count permutations of these. So permutations are 6 factorial. Corresponding to each of these permutations, we have 3 permutations of AU, right? Hence, by multiplication principle, the total number of permutation is 6 into 3. Yes, so I think there was small error only, which is I think you treated them as 5. So the 6th was also available. So this reduced actually. So 5, first you fill up 5, and then you treat all these 3 as one more. So 6 factorial, and within this you have 3 factorial options.
बट लेटर तो 5 लेटर वर्ड है ना, इसे 8 लेटर वर्ड है, 3
ये भी
लेटर
तो
तो
8 ही
यूज
तो है. हाँ ठीक है, but when you fill it up, you know that these 3 will be which ones. So they become one common block. So this is one block, block number 1, and this is block number 2. This is block 1, this is block 2.
Okay.
The total available choices you have is only 6 when you fill it up. Treat it as 6. So I think you did 5, which was not making it together. It was like separate, 2 separate, as if they have nothing to do with each other. Whereas this block number 2, is part of the 8-letter digit. Okay, second part is the vowels do not occur together. They do not occur together. Now you have to ensure they are never together. So which
8
means,
factorial minus
yes,
that.
this ensures togetherness, and 8 factorial minus 6 minus will ensure no togetherness of vowels, the balance.
Okay. In how many ways the disk can be arranged? सर इस वर्ड का मतलब क्या होता है? Indistinguishable.
Cannot be differentiated.
अच्छा.
Red and a red, like we did an example of root.
हाँ.
So repetition is there of the color.
Okay, repetition is there.
4, 3, 2. So you have to arrange them in a row. All have to be used. So if you keep 3 red together, they actually are indistinguishable.
4 into 3 into 2.
4 into 3 into 2. So you have how many places to fill up? 9. 9 places to fill up using 9 balls.
बट जैसे इन्होंने ये नहीं बोला कितनी प्लेसेस चाहिए फ्लैग्स को देने के लिए, तो ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि 4 फैक्टोरियल प्लस 3 फैक्टोरियल प्लस 2 फैक्टोरियल.
प्लस
हाँ.
4 फैक्टोरियल क्या है? रेड बॉल्स.
फ्लैग,
रेड बॉल,
डिस्क जो भी है.
हाँ, this 4 red balls can only be arranged in one way because they're indistinguishable.
ये बोला सेम कलर are indistinguishable.
Yes. So if you keep ball number 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 3, 2, 1, the red remains red. If you keep 4 red balls in any way, they will remain only one arrangement. So if you have to fill it up, uh, so which is first ball, you have how many choices? 9, right? Then, so overall you have 9 factorial as the total, and then repetition we divide, right? Because these are like 2 O's, 3 H, 2 I's. They're getting repeated. Between 2 I's in your name, we did not make any distinction. And we divided your name with 2 I's, 2 factorial.
Okay.
So I did not distinguish between the red balls. So therefore I've divided by 4 factorial. I did not distinguish between 3 yellow, and therefore I've divided. So why should I? I mean, it's clear that these are indistinguishable. In your name, what is the distinction between 2 I's? Nothing. What is the distinction between 2 S? Nothing. What is the distinction between 2 H? Nothing.
अच्छा.
There is no distinction.
ठीक है, ठीक.
Just I think the English is very stupidly. Anyway. What was the highest score in your class in maths?
वही तो नहीं पता है ना मुझे.
Okay.
बस इतना पता है फुल नहीं आया किसी के.
Okay.
इंडिपेंडेंस. अरे बाप रे. इंडिपेंडेंस. द सर.
Yes, sir. So you want to start with P. So you have only one choice to start with. Okay.
1 into
And
14 factorial.
So you're saying he is distinguishing between E1, E2. Okay. No, you don't have, you can't distinguish between two E's. That is artificial. So you have to divide by the repetition.
नहीं, ये तो बोला ही नहीं ना कि
नहीं नहीं
रेपुटेशन।
नहीं 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 नहीं, बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कांट डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन टू ईज.
अच्छा अच्छा।
You can't. There is no way you can distinguish between two e's. They don't
तो
change.
पी यहाँ पर लाइक 4 फैक्टोरियल आ रहा है,
Yes.
तो पी इंटू 14 फैक्टोरियल,
Yes.
1 इंटू 14 फैक्टोरियल।
Yeah.
हाँ,
Okay, did you count it? Take second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is this?
12 है।
14?
इसमें देखो 15 लेटर वर्ड है,
No, it is 12.
तो 12 है ना, तो पी तो आ ही गया, तो 4 बच्चे 11 लेटर्स
Hmm.
अपॉन 4 फैक्टोरियल
क्या?
इंटू 3 फैक्टोरियल
एक, दो, तीन, 3. Yep.
और इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल।
Hmm.
काफी बड़ा है, मतलब इतना आ जाएगा।
ठीक है.
बाय द वे, व्हाट इज 11 फैक्टोरियल?
करो कैलकुलेट. काट सकते हैं. We can cut it 4 factor, but you can leave it here also. It is fine. Next. All the vowels always occur together. Something very similar to what we have done. With the difference that not only we have to keep them together, but also divide by the repetitions.
ठीक है।
All the vowels have to occur together. So, what are the vowels? E. And that is the only vowel you have, I think. Yes. all the vowels. But what are the other vowels available in this? I. Okay, I and E. Okay. So I and E have to be together. So which means if you treat I and E as one letter, then you're actually going to make uh, again 11 factorial, right? Because otherwise you will make 12 factorial now, because one block is made up of two, so you're left with 10. So 10 factorial is what you're aiming at. And then divided with the repetition, which is the way you have divided here. And then multiply by 2 factorial. Make sense? No.
हाँ जी.
Write it down. लिख के देखो. You have to give all the lines and sentences.
There are there is one E
Achha,
and
okay.
I.
No, so which means there are 4 E's and so the total number of actually what you need to keep together is 4 I's and 1 E. Okay. No,
E3,
the
E4.
moment you write this, you make them distinguishable. No,
अच्छा.
you don't have to write this. Subscript is not to be written. Just write E, 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 I. That's all. Don't write E1, E2. The moment you write that, you make them distinguishable, that this E is different from the other.
I. तो but
Yes. So,
एक
so
मिनट.
effectively, you're left with how many? So, 5 are gone out of 12.
12,
So,
7.
7, and this is the 8th block. So, this is only 1. Treat it as a 1. So, you have 8 actually to fill up, 8 places. So, 8 factorial. But there's a repetition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 4
Factorial.
factorial. But within them, they can be written as 2 factorial because they are double, right? 2 factorial. E and I. Between E and I, you can change.
Okay.
How many ways you can interchange between E and I? 1, 2, if these are indistinguishable, you don't distinguish between them.
Hmm.
How many ways you can write? IE and EI.
नहीं, एक मिनट. 2 factorial क्यों लिखा आपने?
Where? Because I have 2 vowels, right?
अच्छा ठीक है, 2 vowels, ओके ठीक।
Letters are 5 by the way.
हाँ पर अभी तो और भी तो है, जैसे कि डी भी रिपीट हो रहा है 2 बार।
कहाँ पे? हाँ,
डी,
yes,
तो इसको into 3 factorial,
yes.
no, नहीं सॉरी, 2 factorial
Hmm.
and
So 8 factorial is the total ways.
और 3 factorial,
Sorry, wait. So 3 factorial is which one?
the
Which
n,
letter is it? Okay.
the n, d and
Wait. Now the second block. The second block has 5 places, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And repetitions are these many. And 2 is the way we can write between them. So total 5 is 5 factorial. Repetition is 4. And between E and I, you can write in 2 ways. Sorry, E and I can be arranged like this only. Why are we repeating it? This is the number of ways you can write 5 letters, out of which 4 are getting repeated. Simple.
okay,
So this is when you treat them together, and this is within the vowel. Within the vowel.
ठीक है,
Okay. Next. Third. Oh, the vowels never occur together. Do you have a dog at home?
no,
No. Then you have a photo of a dog. No, you don't have. Acha nahi, what that girl has it. Do the vowels when the vowels never occur together? So this is when the vowels occur together,
हाँ जी,
and now
माइनस वो
you will
टोटल
minus
वाला,
karna hai. Yeah. So
हाँ
which
जी,
means you will the
इस
total
वाले
arrangements.
हाँ जी,
First find the total arrangements, which is 12 factorial,
अपॉन
3
ओके,
factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial.
हाँ जी,
Minus this.
यस,
ठीक है. Next.
do the words begin with I and begin and end in P, okay,
Yes.
सेम वैसा है जैसे फर्स्ट है
Try it.
सर
Fix it.
एक्चुअली।
Yes. Fix it.
10 वर्ड्स इनको अरेंज करना है।
Hmm.
टेन फैक्टोरियल इंटू 4 फैक्टोरियल, 3 फैक्टोरियल
Hmm.
और 2 फैक्टोरियल।
सही है. Let's see. Where is your answer? कहाँ लिखा?
ये रहा इधर।
Okay, so 10 factorial. So first of all, out of 12, 2 are fixed now. Okay, and which means they become one block, and the balance 10 are one block. So total 11. Total
क्योंकि
11.
एंड इन पी एंड बिगिन विद आई,
हाँ, तो
तो
दो तो
आई
फिक्स हो गए ना
क्या
जगह.
फिक्स, उनको छोड़ दो, हमें
अच्छा, वो तो
अरेंज।
फिक्स हो गए. हाँ, ठीक है,
हाँ
ठीक है, ठीक है. So you're left with only 10.
ठीक है,
ठीक है. So 10 factorial divide. Yes, agreed. Agreed. Makes sense to me. Yes, सही है. Okay. Okay. Now, slightly tough one. Last but not the least. Try this out. See if you can solve this. Okay. So it is find the value of n given that 2n p4. So sorry, I'll just write it in a 2n p4 is equal to 396 multiplied by n p2. Find n. Find the value of n.
क्वेश्चन किधर है?
लिख दिया
कहाँ पर?
ये रहा.
अच्छा, पेज 3 पे हो. ये P2 है
Yes.
and this is 4. ठीक है.
Yes. Hmm. 2n minus 4. What is r?
4. Oh, sorry.
I think you should get your physics paper also this week.
अभी तो अगले 3 दिन की छुट्टी है ना.
Okay. अच्छा. How did you get this?
N factorial
No, this is 2n factorial, buddy. This is 2n factorial. So this
अच्छा,
is 2n
n का
into 2n minus 1, 2n
तो
minus 2 till.
फैक्टोरियल इनटू n फैक्टोरियल हो गया ना.
Huh?
2
No?
फैक्टोरियल और n फैक्टोरियल नहीं ले सकते इसको.
No, cannot. You're saying 2 into 4 factorial should be written as 2 into 4 factorial. No, it is 8 factorial.
अब फंस गए.
नहीं, open it. पहले तो expand तो करना ही है.
And
Expand it.
अच्छा, इसको 2n minus 4 into 2n minus 5 और
इसको तो you don't need to touch it. The bigger one is this. 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3. 2n minus 4 will get cancelled. And similarly here you will get n into n minus 1. n minus 2 factorial will get cancelled. So this will get cancelled. n and n. And n minus 1 into 2 will also get cancelled. This is 2 2s are 4. So 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 is equal to 396 by 4.
ठीक है
4 9s are 4 9s are.
ओके
2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 is equal to 99.
ठीक
Quadratic.
हाँ
You can
समझ
think, what is it? 2n minus 1. 2 10s are. 20
एक
minus
मिनट
1. 2 5s are.
n would be equals to वो आ जाएगा
103. नहीं.
नहीं 11
2n
into 10
minus 1 is equal to 11. 2n
एक 6 आ
minus
जाएगा
3 is equal to
नहीं
9.
6 आ जाएगा
4n minus 4 is equal to 20. 4n is equal to 24. n is equal to 6.
जी सर आप कह रहे थे ना कि इस वाले मेथड से हम एक ही रूट वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं बट दूसरी वैल्यू भी निकाली जा सकती है
कैसे?
और
अच्छा, इंटरचेंज देम.
हाँ जी
ओके. तो सेम ही आ गई यार.
नहीं नहीं सेम कहाँ है 10 n equals to 5
How is this? If you add these two, this is 20.
हाँ
अच्छा, हाँ 20 तो है. ये what about these two? Minus 4.
8
What 8?
अब अगर
9
उनको
plus
ऐड
10. 9 plus 1 is 11. 20. This is 4. 24 ही तो आएगा. 4n. 4n is equal to same ही आएगा.
नहीं नहीं एक मिनट ये तो क्या नहीं नहीं यहाँ 2n minus 1 equals to 9 है ना इसको हम ऐसे भी लेते हैं 2n equals to 10 n equals to 5
अच्छा,
and
इससे
2n
फिर n
is
is equal
equals
to
to
7.
14 n equals to 7
Which is wrong. The root is not coming from a single equation. It should satisfy both. That is what is a root. Cannot be one. 6 is satisfying both.
एक्चुअली अगर आप वैल्यूज पुट करो ना देखिए 7 आपने पुट करी 14 minus 1 कितना होता है
13.
13 एंड 14 minus 3 कितना होता है
11.
अच्छा नहीं ठीक है
Only one ना.
बट हाँ 5 हो सकती है और 6 हो सकती है
Yes. ठीक है. I think we have a good, we have a medium type of grip on permutation. So what we will do now is exercise and some advanced questions on permutation. So just revise whatever we have learned if you can from your assignment or wherever. But we will go and start doing some exercise number 6.3 we will do based on what we have learned and some advanced questions. Exercise 6.3 only has 11 questions. So we will just do last 3, 4 and some advanced questions. And then, so tomorrow we are doing permutation exercise.
Okay.
Chalo, see you tomorrow then. Thank you very much. Bye.